how to evaluate functions. Hello guys, we have here a function f of x is equal to 2x minus 3. Let's suppose we want to evaluate f of 5 when f of x is equals to 2x minus 3. What it simply means is replace x with 5. In other words, what is the value of this expression when x takes the value of 5? So we have f of 5 is equals to 2 times 5, which is 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3 is 7. That means f of 5 is 7. In task 2, we want to determine f of minus 1. We are given that f of x is equals to 2x minus 3. We want f of minus 1, so this is equal to 2 times minus 1 minus 3. Now 2 times negative 1 is negative 2 minus 3, that gives a negative 5. So f of minus 1 is equal to minus 5. We have a function here, g of x is equal to minus 2x squared plus 10. We want to find g of 2, which is equals to minus 2 times 2 squared plus 10. So we have minus 2 times 4 plus 10. This is equal to minus 8 plus 10. Enough to say g of 2 is equal to minus 8 plus 10, which is 2. Thanks for watching.